my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today I will discuss how to georeferencing from QGIS 2.18 software. So at first open the QGIS software. This is the QGIS software. At first input the raster image. This is the image. So this is a not a rectify or there are no coordinate system, unknown coordinate system. So at first raster, go to georeferencing. So input this image here and so at first there is a add point, at least 4 GCB point of this image. Right click of this point and enter longitude, east, and latitude 25 degree 30 minute north, and okay. There is this one GCB control point. Next GCB control point, this portion, '89 degree, 25 degree 30 minute, at least 2 point, and next point so at least 4 GCB control point, 4 GCB control point, and start georeferencing. So there is this please set transformation type. So open this transformation size, transformation type. A lot of transformation type available here, but I am choose this polynomial transformation type. Resampling method, nearest neighborhood, and coordinate system available here. So there is this lot of coordinate system. This image particularly ATM zone 45 north, and okay, output raster file name. This image georeferencing, and okay. So Open this georeferencing image. So start this georeferencing, complete, and open this image. Georeferencing this image and open this image. There is this particular coordinate system, latitude and longitude. So this image is the georeferencing or particular coordinate system. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, latest updates and more video. Thanks for watching.